All right, so when investigating scientists to add to your list of scientists on Twitter or whatever your list is specific to, go to the list first if you've already made it, and you're going to click on List Members. Then you're going to scroll down through your list members and click on one of the scientists in the list. Here's one. And then you're going to click on the people that your scientist is following. The goal of this is to find more scientists that tweet about whatever the topic is. In this case, it's earthquakes and volcanoes. So once you are on their followers, or who they're following, I mean, you're going to scroll down until you've gone through several pages of who's following them. Wouldn't be an idea to do a whole bunch of them. And then you're going to hit Control F. Control F will pop up a little search window, and sadly it's not in position where you can see it well on this recording. And then you're going to type in earthquake. And if you'll notice, every time earthquake is on the screen, it's highlighted now. So you can scroll down and see all the different bios that have earthquake within them. You can also type in geologist. You can see it now. And those are going to be earthquake scientists essentially as well. But we're going to go ahead and go with earthquake because that's obviously more common. So we got 33 hits on that. And so what will happen is when you find somebody, you're going to right click. And if you're on a Chromebook, that means two-finger tap. But so do a two-finger tap and this will pop up. You're going to open, link a new tab. That means you're going to open this person's Twitter page in a new tab. Go up and click on that new tab, and then you should see that particular person. So earthquake geologist, definitely an earthquake scientist. Now that you have them open, and the reason you want to open them in a new tab is so that you can save your place back here. So if you actually clicked on them, it would take you to the page, and then when you hit back to come back here, then you'd have to scroll all the way down and do the search again. But this keeps it open for you. So you're going to check out the person you just opened, scroll down through their tweets, and see if they've tweeted within the last week about earthquakes, and also if they've replied to anybody in the last week. So we're scrolling down. So far he's got retweets. Here's a tweet that's within the last week. Here's a linked paper. This is about plate tectonics. Okay, so we'll call that good then. Now we've just got to see if he's replied to anybody. Got some retweets, and he doesn't have a reply. He did tag some people, which is not quite the same thing. All right, so this one wouldn't qualify then. But if he did qualify, met the requirements, then what we do is come up here, go to our lists, add remove from list, and add him to our list of scientists that tweet science about earthquakes and whatnot. Okay, and so that's what you do. You're going to do that for 3 scientists or whatever the assignment is for that day.